It's for somebody special. Yeah, can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah, can't believe it's so. Yeah, 20 nights been so. Baba don't lose composure. Yeah, girl, my champion lover. Would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, yeah, give me coach. Yeah, give me coach. Yeah, to get me back to you. Give me coach. Yeah, give me coach. Nah, give me coach. Yeah, to get me back to you. Cannot deny it's a ghost. And if God is my witness, now you be my weakness. My no be boss. See Oluwa don't bless me. Not true, no be ghost ride. If they say I didn't listen, babe, you're the one that I'm missing, girl. And my darling, would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you, coach. Coach. Yeah, get me back to you. Oh, coach. Coach. Yeah, to get me back to you.
I like this yogurt. I want to get two.
No. I want one.
Got
Wait,
it.
let me see. Okay, put it in the cart.
Sweeter.
Whoa.
Ari, you didn't even check the date.
What? The date? I have to check the date.
Of course you do.
I don't know.
September.
September. Okay, it's not September yet.
That's what I know. I checked.
That's disgusting.
New love, can we get high? New love, no drugs. I'm ready to fly, no drugs. Pull up, if I'm on your mind, pull up, above.
What are these? These are quail eggs.
With it.
Give me new life, take me
Oh, heck no.
when it feels right. That's that ascension. Never go back to when we were forgot my words. For me, feels like rebirth. I don't wanna lose this high. Wouldn't wanna lose this high.
Watch out, Ari. Look at this little girl. I cannot. All right, let's go get tea. I mean, salad dressing.
Come get with shoes and what's
What are those?
this pulling each other's skin.
Great.
Finally resign. When it feels right, that's that essential. Never going back to
Can I break that in? We're not
forgot my worth. Your love for me feels like a rebirth. I don't wanna lose this high. Wouldn't wanna lose this high. I just wanna make me yours. I just wanna make you mine. Feels like a rebirth. I don't wanna lose this high. Wouldn't wanna lose this high. I just wanna make me yours. I just wanna make you mine.
Mommy, Kinder Egg.
We're not having no Kinder Egg. Sorry. No. 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 Oh, you have your own money. You could buy yourself one.
Oh yeah, I can.
Oh, you didn't even bring your bag inside.
Ask what could you do for me? I told him that my love is free. Can you touch me?
Kinder Egg.
I can do it all for myself. Want you to really do need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown.
You dropped your egg.
Just in your body.
I know.
To live in luxury.
All right, so we just left the supermarket and we got one more stop to make. I want to see if this man could guess. Babe, one more stop.
It's coffee.
Donkey?
Take me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet. Setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat.
That's heavy.
I like fancy boots. Shine like my body. Live like royalty.
Watch out, boo-boo.
Treat you like a king if I trust. But you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody. Born to live in luxury. I work too hard, oh my. Luxury. We come so far.
All right, guys. That was a lot, but we got it done. We went over our budget. My husband's job gave us like a gift card, so we used it at the supermarket. It was for $75, and our total went over by $30, but it's okay. It's okay. I ended up spending like one something in there. I'll let you guys know and do a proper grocery haul once we get home. I'll also show you everything that we got from the African store. We went to the Nigerian market today, and yeah, we got a whole bunch of little cool stuff. Babe, hand sanitizer. We need to sanitize because, baby,
I have hand sanitizer back here.
All right.
always sanitize, guys, especially after you leave a grocery store. People be touching everything, okay? Everything. I forgot I have one in here too. I didn't even open it yet. It's a new one because that one feels sticky, right?
Yeah, but it's not bad.
Mine doesn't feel good.
You got a new one too. Did I hit your arm, your finger? All right. Say hi, babe. Officially. It's about to be a husband takeover.
Oh yeah.
He's gonna take y'all with him one day. But
soon. I'm gonna host the vlog.
yes.
One of these days, yeah. Hey loves.
Hey, loves. Welcome and welcome back to Simone's channel. All right, guys, we'll catch you in a minute. I'm about to get me a coffee. Y'all should already know. I mean, he already knew what the next stop was going to be. But we'll be back. We'll be back. Hi, can I get a small cold brew?
Yep.
With less ice?
Yep.
With 1 shot of caramel?
Yep.
With sweet cold foam?
Yep.
You want something?
I'm outside.
That's it. Thank you.
Shut up.
Let's try it, guys. Let's try it. Oh, it's strong. I thought it wasn't gonna be strong, but it is strong. It's almost like they burnt it a little bit, but it's not bad.
Good.
Wanna try it? I always ask my husband if he wants something, and he always say no, but then end up drinking my whole doggone coffee. Y'all foul. He always end up drinking my whole coffee.
It's good. I love it.
Long throat.
I know. It's good. They did great.
Yeah, it's kind of strong, but
Yeah.
it'll do. Cheers. We're about to take Ari to the park so she could ride her scooter for a little while. Even though I have groceries in the bag that could melt, but it'll be okay. It'll be okay. I'll put them inside the cold bags that I have back there and pray that nothing happens to my groceries. So, anyways, I'll see y'all when we get to the park.
So slippery. Whoa. Whoa. Mommy, record me doing the leaf steps.
Okay.
Like he's attached to me. So what's standing in our way? Yeah, he got such power over me, but I try to act cool about it.
Wow. Good job. What? My baby is dead. Get it, boo boo, get it. Get it, boo boo, get it. Get it, get it, get it.
He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice.
Pick your feet, girl.
Mommy, higher. Whoa.
There you go. This girl does not know how to leave when we get to this park. She wants to like, higher, daddy, higher. Look. Higher, higher. I can't. I'm ready to go. These kids are so talented. All right, loves. So I just got home. I'm about to do a quick little grocery haul for you guys because guess what? I went to the park with Ari and now like I had all my groceries in a bag and yeah, they've been in my trunk forever and some of these things need to go in the freezer. So let's do this really quickly. So from the African store, we got a yam. I'm just gonna like try to do this quickly for you guys because I got almond milk. I'm gonna just bring y'all a little closer because I don't feel like putting y'all on a bigger tripod. Anyways, I finally found this. This is not good for you as far as like what's the ingredients, but it is sugar free. And I've been looking for this for the longest time. So let's pray that it tastes good because I got two. I got two of them. So let's pray. But they are the coconut cream flavor, and that is my absolute favorite flavor by that brand. I got to. Also, I brought these for Ari, these Dino Buddies. These are like chicken nuggets shaped like dinosaurs. I got cream cheese, and I got 2 of these yogurts, which are the coconut flavor, Greek yogurt. I got some guacamole minis. I'm too lazy to make my own guac, guys. Okay. And then I bought this spinach. And then I got some Olipop. I got the peaches and cream flavor. And I also got the banana cream. I've never had this one, but we've had this one before. So. Another yogurt. Alright. Guys, I look a mess. I cannot wait to take my hair out. I'm taking this mess out tomorrow. I have an appointment on Friday, so and then we got these turkey legs. They're already cooked. I wanted to try them, so I ended up grabbing these for me and my husband. He's gonna have one, I'm gonna have one, and yeah, protein. And then I got some more eggs because I'm gonna make moi moi. These are our favorite like chicken sausages, breakfast sausages. I get the chicken and maple. So yeah, I always have these on deck just in case. They didn't have the organic chai tea that I usually get, so I ended up grabbing these ones. And then I wanted some blueberry green tea just to have for like nighttime. It's blueberry and acai. Blueberry and acai. And then we got some Chobani Greek yogurt for Ari. She likes these. I told you guys to choose your battles. Choose your battles. And then I wanted to try this. I've never seen this, so I was like, why not? It's light, 60 calories per tablespoon, per 2 tablespoons, so yeah. And then the last thing that I got was some tuna in a can. These were 3 for $5 or 3 for $4. I don't know which one, but yeah. Tuna and water, that's my favorite thing. And for each can, it's 29 grams of protein per can. This is a great meal, okay? Great meal. And then the last thing I got was red peppers because I'm gonna make my husband some porridge or some stew, whatever. I need red peppers. That's it, guys, that I got from the grocery store. And then from the Nigerian store, I ended up getting some moi moi pouches so that we can make moi moi. So, and it comes with 100 bags because I don't have the little metal cups. So, next best thing, right? Next best thing. All right, so that's all we got. Quick little haul. Also, I am in JoJo's live. So JoJo, we're in live with you as we're doing our grocery haul. All right. Anyways, I'll be back.
I need to log off, I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks too. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. It's like, why should I even try? Well, there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you. It makes it look easy. Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be
Chill out. Why you take him out?
I just wanna see me.
Why'd you take him out?
Just wanna be the one.
Yes, you could have.
I just wanna be loved. That's really, really good for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable. It's also unachievable. Yeah, almost inconceivable. I'll never